Good morning, everybody. Today, we have to deal with one of the most important functions performed by our commercial bank. Dear students, when we are discussing about the function of commercial banks, our commercial banks perform a lot of functions for the sake of their account holders. But there are two basic functions, you can say there are two most important functions performed by our bank. In which the first function is deposit and the second is credit. Dear students, both the functions are two basic functions, and both two basic functions are the most important functions performed by the bank. So, before starting the basic function, one question arises in the mind of anyone. If these two are basic, what are the other functions? So, you can observe some other function. After that, we will start the basic function deposit with the commercial bank. See the function, the functions of commercial banks. First is deposit function. Second is credit function. These two are the basic functions. These two are the basic functions. See other function. What means the other function performed by a commercial bank? Local facilities. Local facilities financial advisor. Next, financial you can say financial advisor or agency function. It's advisory function. Next is, see, under the local facility, bank provides a locker to the account holders in which they can keep their records, data, papers, valuable assets, statements, and jewelry, etc. without any threat of theft or damage, etc. So, to maintain our valuable asset properly, our commercial bank provides us a locker facility. Next, a financial advisor. When you wish to venture an enterprise, your bank will be the most important advisor. How to make a proposal and what are the basic requirements to make a proposal for enterprise. To earn more and more profit, bank can advise you best in the preparation of proposal for any business or enterprise. Next is the agency function. Here, under the agency function, bank can perform. What perform? Bank can perform all the tasks given by account holders. There is a misconception among the people regarding the function of the bank. What is the misconception? Common people understand they have to request to the bank for any function performed by the bank. But in real sense, an account holder is an owner of their asset. Means people have command over the asset, whatever he deposited or taken as credit from the bank. Whenever, wherever, whatever he or she wish to spend or transfer, they can order to the bank. And each and every order of the account holder must be followed by the bank. So, here bank perform agency function. Under agency function, see what can you get done by the bank. If you wish to purchase any unit of share of any company, if you wish to invest in IPO, mutual fund, if you have to pay the installment of your insurance, or if an entrepreneur, an employer wishes to distribute salary to the employees, only he or she had to order to the bank to do so. आपने बैंक को एक बार ऑर्डर दिया, 1 जुलाई को एक आईपीओ लॉन्च होने वाले हैं, आपको उस आईपीओ में कुछ यूनिट परचेज करना है. You may order in advance, and at the proper time, your bank can perform the task of selling, or in case of purchasing, what you wish to do, your bank can perform. See the next. If you wish to transfer your asset from your native place to other place, you have to give the order to the bank. If you wish to transfer some money to the account of your near or dear, you can order to the bank. Bank can perform the same. If an employer wishes to distribute the salary of employees, he or she had to make an order to the bank. After making an order, the duty will be performed by the bank by distributing the salary of the employee. See, under the agency function to the public as well as government. Again, agency to the of the government. Whenever a government has to collect the different revenue, it may tax or non-tax revenue. Collection of tax or non-tax revenue can be performed by the bank. Tax and non-tax revenues. Collection of tax and non-tax revenues. Whenever it comes to the bank to collect the tax or non-tax, bank can collect the tax from the taxpayers and same time it deposited to the account of the government. So these are the other functions. Our today's topic is the first basic function, that is deposit function of the bank. It is most important not for the chapter of banking but also for the chapter of money and money supply. See the deposits. Of the commercial bank, deposit with commercial banks. Divided between two. First is demand deposits. Second is term of time deposits. See, there are two types of deposits facility given by the bank. Demand deposit and term or time deposit. What the difference between two? Under the demand deposit, there is a provision of (24 into 365 days) demand of the withdrawal by the depositor. Under the demand function, a depositor can demand the money from the bank, whatever, whenever, wherever he or she wish to do. Means full authority given to the depositors here to withdraw their deposited cash. Under the demand deposit, there are two types of account facilities given by the bank. First is saving account, and second is current account. Saving and current account, two type of account. Means what is this? See, under the demand, there are two type of deposits, saving and current. In between two, saving deposit is for common people and current deposit for the businessman. Under the saving deposit, there are limited facilities given by bank to the account holder. Under the current deposit, current account, unlimited facilities. Saving deposit is almost free from the charges of bank. Current account, there are some charges imposed by the bank for each and every activity. Under the saving, services are free up to a particular limit. After crossing the limit, it may be chargeable or it may be prohibited. So there are two types of demand deposit, saving and current. Whenever you visit to a bank to open an account at a common bank, you have to open an account under the saving. If you wish to open an account with the name of any institution or business enterprise, you have to open an account under current deposit or current account. I like the demand. There are two types of term deposits. What the provision under term or time? One time withdrawal facility is given. Here, withdrawal has unlimited facilities. डिमांड डिपॉजिट में विड्रॉल की कोई लिमिट नहीं है, 1 2 3 1000 मिलियंस और बिलियंस टाइम विड्रॉ कर सकते हो, सब्जेक्ट टू अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द कैश इन योर अकाउंट. But in this segment, there is no such type of facility. One time withdrawal facility is given by the bank. Single withdrawal facility. वो भी कब? Whenever, whatever, wherever not. At the time of maturity. When you can withdraw your deposited cash at the time of maturity on the account or passbook or the paper of term deposit, one date has been mentioned of the future. On that date, you have to go to the branch to withdraw your deposited cash. If you fail to withdraw the deposited cash at that time, you can withdraw it easily according to your convenience after that. But there is no any additional interest will be given by the bank. अगर आप टाइम पे विड्रॉ कर लिए, इट्स गुड. टाइम के बाद आते हो आपको सेम अमाउंट मिलेगी. अदर बेनिफिट जो आपने डेट क्रॉस किया उसकी बेनिफिट आपको नहीं मिलेगी, बिकॉज इट इज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ एग्रीमेंट बिटवीन डिपॉजिटर एंड बैंक. You have to withdraw your cash at a particular point of time. So, under the term deposit, withdrawal time is prefixed or fixed variable at the time of deposit. जब डिपॉजिट करते हो उसी समय टर्म फिक्स हो जाती है. इट में फॉर 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, or 5 year, 10 year, whatever it is. It is the subject decided between depositor and the bank. So there are two types of term deposit also. One is fixed deposit and second is recurring deposits. There are two type of deposit under the term fixed and recurring. See what the difference between two. Under the fixed, one time deposit and one time withdrawal. Withdrawal facility तो दोनों में one time है, but under the fixed deposit facility भी available for one time. Single deposit facility and single withdrawal facility. But in recurring, deposit can be done by the account holder in installments. Installment में daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly, whatever it is. Recurring में deposits many times होगा, withdrawal one time. When at the time of maturity of the term. Under the demand deposit, one time of deposit facility is given, single deposit facility. Withdrawal again the single at the time of maturity. If anyone wishes to withdraw their entire deposited cash under the term deposit before the time of maturity, you can. Bank provides such type of services subject to pay the fine by the account holders. I mean, if you wish or anyone wish to withdraw their deposited cash before the maturity period, they can withdraw, but subject to pay the fine imposed by the bank. बैंक इसके लिए फाइन इम्पोज कर सकती है और करेगी, आपको पेमेंट करनी होगी. आफ्टर दैट विड्रॉल फैसिलिटी कैन बी गिवन बाय द बैंक. तो व्हाट आर द अदर डिफरेंसेस अंडर डिमांड डिपॉजिट, ऑन द लिमिटेड विड्रॉल, अंडर टर्म डिपॉजिट, सिंगल विड्रॉल. Under the demand deposit, since there is freedom to the account holder, lower rate of interest given by the bank. See the differences. deposit facilities limited. Single or installments. Here, deposit facility either one-time single deposit or in the installments. Third, no. Under current account. See, the difference between two types of deposits, term and demand deposit. Under demand deposit, facility of withdrawal, many or unlimited. Dear students, we already discussed there are two types of demand deposit, saving and current account. So saving में many तो होगा but limited transaction facilities होगी. But जैसे ही current में जाते हो unlimited transaction facility. But in case of term deposit, withdrawal single at the time of maturity. Maturity होगी तो आप withdraw करोगे. Before it, before maturity, it is subject to pay fine. If you wish to withdraw before maturity, it's subject to pay the fine. Deposit facility under demand, many or unlimited. फिर से वही प्रॉब्लम, अगर सेविंग अकाउंट है 3, 4, 5 डिपॉजिट पर डे आप कर सकते हो, बट अगर करंट अकाउंट है तो देयर इज नो सच टाइप ऑफ लिमिटेशन. अनलिमिटेड डिपॉजिट फैसिलिटी. हियर अंडर द टर्म deposit facility decided by both the party at the time of opening of account, whether to deposit in single installment or many. Installment already decided, it may monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly or daily. तो जो इंस्टॉलमेंट डिसाइड कर ली गई है, अगर इंस्टॉलमेंट वाइज है मेनी इंस्टॉलमेंट और सिंगल है तो वन टाइम होगा. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हियर कंपैरेटिवली लोअर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. अगर करंट अकाउंट है तो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बैंक देने के बजाय वसूल सकती है, सब्जेक्ट टू इम्पोज द सर्विस चार्ज. क्योंकि बैंक को करंट अकाउंट में मैक्सिमम सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करनी पड़ती है, प्रॉम्प्ट सर्विसेज देनी होती है. अगेन द प्रॉम्प्ट सर्विसेज गिवन बाय द बैंक, दे कैन गेट सम फी फ्रॉम द अकाउंट होल्डर. सो अंडर द सेविंग देयर इज नो चार्ज, बट अंडर द करंट अकाउंट देयर इज चार्ज. हियर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज हायर. In case of term deposit, rate of interest is much more higher because there is freedom to the bank to invest their deposit to get better return. Thanks all. Today it's all.